consumers are looking for healthier snacks compared to candies or chocolate, but taste and texture remain the most important criteria for choosing bars. It is therefore important to find the right balance between great flavors, healthy recipes, and clean label. Today we will present you a cereal bar recipe using our puffed cereals for different texture and lots of flavors.
For 200 grams of preparation, so 10 granola bars, you will need of 60 grams Presco Millet. We choose puffed Millet grains for their original color, light texture and light cereal taste. Presco Millet is a whole grain millet that is expanded under heat and pressure. Other puffed grains can be chosen for different colors, textures or tastes. The more expanded, less dense ones will bring more lightness and crispiness. The denser ones will bring more chewiness and satiety. 40 grams of pistachio and 40 grams of cranberries. These dried fruits will bring color, texture and harmony of flavors. 60 grams of agave syrup. The agave syrup is a light syrup with sweetening effect which will allow to stick the millet and the dry fruits together to form the cereal bars. After cooking, the agave syrup will brown only slightly to keep the color of the ingredients. The agave syrup replaces here the sugar and glucose or fructose syrup, which are more caloric. 25 grams of rapeseed oil. This oil is naturally rich in omega-3 and 6 and low in saturated fatty acids. The fat is essential to preserve the ingredients from being colored by the sugar and helps the cereal bar to come out of the mold less sticky. Dark chocolate with a minimum of 60% cocoa. Chocolate is a coating option that goes very well with red fruits and pistachios for more deliciousness. Now that you have the recipe, we can start the preparation. First, weigh all the ingredients in different bowls. In this recipe, it is important to crush the pistachio and cut the cranberries in order to obtain smaller and more palatable pieces. This will allow better distribution of flavors in the bar. We are going to mix in a bowl the dried fruits prepared with Presco Millet. For the moment, the ingredients are dry. Then we add the agave syrup and rapeseed oil to the dry ingredients in the bowl. We mix with the wooden spoon in a light way to keep the integrity of the ingredients that will bring the visual and texture. It's important to spread the syrup evenly over all the ingredients, so they can be well coated. Now we can proceed to the shaping. Simply weigh out 20 grams of the mixture and place it in the silicone molds. Press with the back of the tablespoon or a spatula to obtain a regular surface. We have chosen a dome-shaped mold, but you can also use tartlet or rectangular molds. We can now move on the baking step. Place your mold on a baking sheet and bake for 35 minutes at 150 degrees in a fan oven. Once baked, the bar is still soft when it comes out of the oven. Wait a few minutes before unmolding it. After a complete cooling, the texture and structure of the cereal bar hardens and sets. With this recipe, we obtain a Nutri-Score C. For more deliciousness, you can coat a part of the cereal bar with chocolate, the bottom for example. To do this, you need to temper the chocolate. The temperature to melt the chocolate are indicated on the packaging of the chosen chocolate. Follow the recommendation carefully. Once the chocolate is melted, dip the base of the bar in the chocolate and place on a baking paper to fix it. When the chocolate returns to room temperature, your cereal bar will be ready to eat.
With or without chocolate, make your choice and enjoy!